How to send USDT from OKX Web3 wallet to BYBIT. So after you open up now your mobile phone, go to the BYBIT. After you open the BYBIT, go to assets. After you come to asset in the BYBIT, now tap on this deposit button. So after you come to deposit, tap on this deposit crypto. And then tap on this search and search for USDT. So now select the network. Go tap on this BIP20. So and then swipe this one to right. And tap on this copy address. After you copy the address from the BYBIT, now close the BYBIT and go back to the OKX wallet. So after you open up the OKX Web3 wallet, now select USDT. After you select the USDT, now tap on this send button. Now tap on this paste to paste the address. Now I paste in the address. All you have to do now, you can tap on this confirm button. From there it will allow you to specify the amount you want to send. After you specify the amount, it will ask you to verify. After you finish with the verification, the USDT will be sent into your BYBIT account. And that's it, guys. Because I don't have the USDT, that's why it just give me this error.